Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to lock camera focus on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you like photography and want your photo to look clear, sharp and high quality, then you have to lock the focus of your cell phone camera on the object you want to photo. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so yeah, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can open the camera on your phone like this. Alright, so yeah, now you can choose the object that you want to take the photo, and then now you can click on the object, and then as you can see there's lock icon. You can click until it turns to yellow like this, and then now you can shut. Alright guys, so yeah, now you can see the result of the photo. You can see that your photo will look clear, sharp and high quality. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial on how to lock camera focus on Samsung Galaxy A36, and thank you so much for watching guys.